which was supposedly given to some other person. Do you remember? Is that your evidence?
The see-through plastic bag.
Yeah, that's it. What did you say about it?
I've said during the downloads, it was discovered that there's a see-through plastic bag on the downloads of accused number 3,
right,
as well as Longwe Twala and Miss Kelly Kumalo. So it's the same bag of mine appearing in
because I just escaped.
Ebengikusho-ke noma engishilo ukuthi-ke kunalesiya sikhwama noma loya plastic obonakho yona-ke ngaphakathi okunemali okhona-ke kuma-downloads akhe umsolo wesithathu nakuyena-ke uLongwe Twala kanye futhi-ke nakuyena uMiss Kelly Khumalo nokunye futhi-ke umahluko lakushilo ukuthi-ke kunale wona-ke lo plastic onemali ukuthi nangu umuntu uyaboshwa-ke manje kodwa akukho lutho-ke akubuzwayo ngale mali noma-ke ukuthi achaze asho ukuthi imali yani wenza-ke nesibona mhlawumbe imali yokulobola noma imali yani.
Now, Brigadier Gininda, yesterday when we were adjourned, you had broached the issue of the communication between the accused as established by Lieutenant Colonel Stein and later Lieutenant Colonel Hawes.
That is correct, my lord.
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi izolo-ke bengikhuluma-ke ngokuxhumana-ke okwakukhona-ke kubona phakathi kwabo abasolwa kuwona-ke umsebenzi wawenziwa uyena uLieutenant Colonel Stein wase undlulela kuColonel Hawes.
You've also testified about the various numbers that were used by Miss Kelly Khumalo.
Yes, my lord, that is correct.
Ngikhulumile-ke nangamanamba ahlukene ayisetshenziswa uyena-ke uMiss Kelly Khumalo.
Just want to show you the extract from the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Stein, which serves as exhibit O before this court on page 3 and 4 thereof, under the name of Miss Kelly Khumalo. She sets out various numbers. If you can just place them on record.
Yes, my lord. Absolutely. 1, 2, 3.
So, my lord, can I get the exhibit number?
It's exhibit O.
Oh, is it not staying?
Yes, Stein.
Thank you.
That's what we are referring to.
Thank you.
Yes, my lord. The first one is 2779 494 8773. The second one is 27 733 886 730. Then the second one, it's 2761 456 2104. The other one, my lord, is 2711 863 1447, followed by 2772 938 2498. The other one is 2711 413 1179, and then the other one is 2773 461 5017, and then it's 27827044
Lama number ke ahlukene, ama number ke angaphansi ke kwalo igama lakhe uMiss Kelly Khumalo noma ke ayewasebenzisa ke eyoqala 27794948773, u27733 886730, 276145622104, 271188314447, 2772 9382498, 271141311179, 27734515017, no 27827044358.
Thank you. It's to be precise, it's Exhibit O in bracket 1. Yesterday, you made reference to Lieutenant Colonel Hoss. Is that correct, that he also testified in these proceedings?
That is correct, my lord.
Izolo ukhulumeleke ngaye uLieutenant Colonel House uyiqiniso ngaba naye wothula ubufakazi kuleli cala yebo.
I just want to show you his affidavit, which was handed up as Exhibit DD in DD5 in bracket B. If you can just put the contents of paragraph 4, then move over to paragraph 7.
Paragraph 4, my lord, reads as follows. During the current court procedures, I was requested to obtain the Section 205 data that were obtained as a result of an application in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act, Act 51/1977. I received the requested data from the investigating officer, Brigadier Kenenda. And then paragraph...
Just a minute. What's your comment?
Yes, when I did give it to him, my lord. After he took over, as I said, when Colonel Stein left, initially it was the handing over, or rather the requesting of his assistance insofar as the analysis of accused number 1 and 2. But later then he had to receive the entire data, my lord, so I did give it to him. Some were received directly by him from Colonel Stein, but then I also gave him the entire data, my lord.
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi uma esezoyeka noma eseyeka ke uKolonel Stein ngamcela ke mina ke uKolonel House futhi ke ngangimcela ke mayelana naye kumsolo wokuqala nowesibili, kodwa ke ngokuhamba kwase kufuneka ukuthi ke manje enzeke idata yonke khona ke akuthola kumina okunye wakuthola kuyena uKolonel Stein.
Yes.
Right, paragraph 7, my lord, reads as follows. Under name Muzika Ukhulela Sithemba Sibiya.
No, just read from the introduction.
Okay.
The very first sentence.
All right. It says, I received the Section 205 data for the following numbers. Name Muzika Ukhulela Sithemba Sibiya. 2779-379-0137. Second one, Muzika Ukhulela Sithemba Sibiya. 2760-77-46749. And then the next name, Bongane Sandison Tanzi, 276090-16890. Bongane Sandison Tanzi again is 2776. This one is not clear, my lord. I'll come back to it, my lord. It's not clear, but underneath it, my lord, is Toby is it Prince Mncube is 2782-956-3220. Thereafter, Mthokozisi Zipozonke Mapisa is 2771-395-3801. Then Sifiso Ntuli is 2773-305-9202. Another one, Sifiso Ntuli, 2776-427-007. Then Sifiso Ntuli again, my lord, is 2772-399-5787. Then Sifiso Ntuli, I'll have to come back to this one also, my lord. It's there's a marking, I can't see it clearly, but underneath it, my lord, it's also Sifiso Ntuli 2778-879-8335, followed by Sifiso Ntuli 2771-3029173. Then followed by Sifiso Ntuli again, my lord, 2771-595-1239. So that is the list, my lord, except the two. I'll try to make sense of the two because it's not clearly visible, my lord.
Yes, it's fine. It's already on record.
Yes, the 2, my lord, there's a marking on top, so I can't see the digits correctly.
Paragraph 4 ke so istatement sakhe Lieutenant Colonel House Exhibit D5B ngathi ke liqhubeka ke lecala leli ngacelwa ke ukuthi ngithole ama section 205 ayetholiwe nangomphumela wesicelo esasenziwe ke ngaphansi kwawo umthetho u51 ka1977 ngathola ke leyo mininingwane noma leyo data leyo ke kumphenyi wecala uBrigadier Gininda bese ke uparagraph 7 yena ke ngase ngithola ke icelo noma ke usection 205 wala nama number alandelayo loqala musica ukhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya 27793790137 elandelayo musica ukhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya 27607746749 elandelayo ubongani Sandiso Ntanzi 27609016890 elandelayo ubongani Sandiso Ntanzi 27762648460 elandelayo Mthobisi Prince Mncube uCarlos 27829563220 elandelayo Mthokozisi Zipho Zonke Maphisa 27713953801 elandelayo ufiso kuhle Ntuli 27733059202 kulandela ufiso kuhle Ntuli 27766427007 kulandela futhi ufiso kuhle Ntuli 27723995787 kulandela futhi ufiso kuhle Ntuli 27825859759 kulandele futhi ufiso kuhle Ntuli 27788798335 fiso kuhle Ntuli 27713029173 fiso kuhle Ntuli number 27715951239.
Thank you. You testified yesterday that Lieutenant Colonel Steyn analyzed the downloads of Ms. Kelly Khumalo's phone, which were done by Captain Mshwana in 2014.
That is correct, my lord.
Ushilo ke izolo ngathi uthi ubufakazi ukuthi ke uColonel Steyn wabe esecwaninga ke ama downloads enziwa ke kuona umakhalekhukhwini wakhe uMiss Kelly Khumalo ekwakwenziwe uCaptain Mshwana ngo2014 uyiqiniso.
And he established that there was communication between Ms. Kelly Khumalo and accused number 5.
Yes, my lord, that's the report I received from him, my lord.
Ushilo ke ukuthi wasethi ke wathola ukuthi kwakunokuxhumana okwakukhona ke phakathi kwakhe uMiss Kelly Khumalo kanye naye umsolwa wesihlanu. Yebo umbiko ngawuthola lowo.
Just want to refer you to the proceedings of the 12th of August 2024 when Lieutenant Colonel Steyn was recalled at page 50 from line 12. Can you just place his evidence and record?
Which one, my lord? Can I have the exhibit? I don't have the exhibit.
Ngizokukhombisa ke manje kubufakazi ke noma ngizobusa kubufakazi bange-12 zika August 2024 page 50 line 12 unkathi ke uColonel Steyn ephinde ebuyela futhi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord. It says, and I can conclude and I can say, I can therefore confirm that there was communication between Kelly Khumalo, her cell phone number, plus 278270444358 with accused 5 and Ghani with cell number plus 27733059202 on the following date, 2014 August the 2nd So it's 2014-08-02 and 2014 October the 15th. So it's 2014-10-15 using internet, which will not appear or show on the normal section 205. You can only get it from downloading if the phone is available.
Fundeka ngalendlela ke ubufakazi bakhe uKenneth Stein ngingasho ke noma ngingaqinisekisa ke ukuthi kwakhona ukuxhumana noma ukukhulumisana kwakukhona phakathi kwakhe ke uKelly Khumalo cell number yakhe ke u2782704438 kanye nomsolwa wesihlanu unkani cell number 27733059202 ngalamalanga alandelayo 2014-08-02 kanye no-2014-10-15 bese kusetshenziswa ke i-internet engeke ivele noma ibonakaleke uma ngaba usebenzisa ke ejwayelekile i-section 205. Ungakwenza kuphela ke lokho uma noma kuma download uma ukuthi ke ucingo alutholakala noma ke alukho available noma ke yebo alitholakala.
You also testified yesterday that upon the retirement of Lieutenant Colonel Stein, Lieutenant Colonel Host took over the task that you had assigned Lieutenant Colonel Stein to.
That is correct, my lord.
Ushilo ke nkathi uthola ubufakazi izoloko ukuthi uma ke yake empensionini uKenneth Stein umsebenzi ke bowenziwa uyena uKenneth Stein wasewenziwa uKenneth Host kuyiqiniso.
And that he did the same exercise that Lieutenant Colonel Stein did to establish if there was any communication amongst the accused persons.
That is correct, my lord.
Nokuthi wase enza lowo msebenzi ke owawenziwa uyena uKenneth Stein ukuthola noma ke ukubheka ukuthi kwakhona yini ukuxhumana kwakukhona phakathi kwabasola yebo.
I just want to refer you to the evidence of Lieutenant Colonel House on the 20th of May 2024. If you can start at page 24, lines 8 to 13, just place the contents of the record again on the record.
So line 8, my lord, reads as follows. That is Advocate Baloyi. As the court pleases, my lord, Lieutenant Colonel House, we have just given, Lieutenant Colonel House, he have just given a summary of the communication between accused 3 and accused 5. Just in broad outline, when does this communication commence and up to when does it go? Mr. Host, my lord, it starts 24 October 2014 until 25 January 2015.
Yes, thank you.
This is a time.
Kubufakazi bakhe uLieutenant Colonel House bange 20 kuMay 2024 page 24 line 8 kuyofica ke ku13 isho ifundeka ngalendlela ke Lieutenant Colonel House eqeda ke ukunikeza ngesifinyezo ke sokuxhumana okwakukhona phakathi kwakhe umsola wesithathu kanye nowesihlanu ingabe uqala nini uqala nini ke kusuka nini lokuxhumana lokhu futhi kuze kuyogcina nini aphenduleke uHouse athi ke qala nge-24 October 2014 kuyofica ke nge-25 January 2015.
And then in page 23, he then sets out such communication between accused number 3 and 5. If you can just place that on record, starting from line number 2.
Yes, indeed, my lord. Number 2, Mncube Prince Mncube, accused 3, 2772766169 contacted Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli, accused 5, 11 times. That number is 2772399587, and that was between 26 October 2014 and 14 December 2014. Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli 2771596139, accused 5, contacted Mtobisi Prince Mncube, accused 3, and 2772766169 6 times, and that was between the period of 1 November 2014 and 25 January 2015. Then Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli 2776642707, accused 5, contacted Mtobisi Prince Mncube, accused 3, 2772768169 54 times, and that was between the period of 4 November 2014 and 25 January 2015. Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli 2772399587, accused 5, contacted Mtobisi Prince Mncube, accused 3, 727668169 26 times, and that was between the period of 24 October 2014 and 17 January 2015. Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli 277303059202, accused 5, contacted Mtobisi Prince Mncube, accused 2, 2772768169 2 times. Goes further to the next page, my lord, 2 times. That was on the 24 November 2014 and 29 November 2014.
Okwashiwo ke uyena uLieutenant Colonel House kubufakazi bakhe ke lokubalo i-20 May 2024 ithi ke Mtobisi Prince Mncube umsolwa wesithathu 2772766169 waxhumana noSifiso Kuhle Ntuli umsolwa wesihlanu amahlandla amahlandla awu-11. Lokho kwaku noma ke inamba leyo kwaku 2772399587 isikhathi leso ke noma ke idate kwakungephakathi kwe-26 October 2014 kuyoshaya ke i-14 December 2014. Kwaze kwathi uSifiso Kuhle Ntuli 2771595112 951-239 umsolwa wesihlanu waxhumana noMtobisi Prince Mncube umsolwa wesithathu ku-2772766169 amahlandla ayisithupha isikhathi leso kwakuphakathi kwange-1 November 2014 kuyoshaya i-25 January 2015. Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli 2776642707 umsolwa wesihlanu waxhumana noMtobisi Prince Mncube umsolwa wesithathu u-2772766169 amahlandla awu-54 lokho ke kwenzeka phakathi kuka-4 November 2014 ne-25 January 2015. Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli 2772399587 umsolwa wesihlanu waxhumana noMtobisi Prince Mncube umsolwa wesithathu ku-27766169 amahlandla awu-26 lokho kwakuphakathi kwe-24 October 2014 nazo i-17 January 2015. Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli 277330599202 umsolwa wesihlanu axhumana noMtobisi Prince Mncube umsolwa wesithathu u-2772766169 amahlandla amabili kwakuphakathi kwe-24 November 2014 ne-29 November 2014.
Thank you. Then on page 22 of the same record of the 20th of May 2024, he refers to Exhibit DD5C, her affidavit, and sets out further communication between accused 3 and 5. If you can place the contents of page 22, starting from the second line on record.
Okay, so it reads as follows, my lord. The second line from the records: Ntuli Prince Mncube, accused 3, and Ntuli Prince Mncube and Sifiso Ntuli, accused 5. Ntuli Mncube, accused 3, of 2772768169, contacted Sifiso Ntuli, accused 5, on 2771595123 3 times, and that was between the period of 2 November 2014 and 18 January 2018. Then further down, my lord, on lines or paragraph 20, Ntuli Mncube, accused 3, number 2772766169, contacted Sifiso Ntuli, accused 5, 2776627007 11 times, and this was between the period of 6 November 2014 and 18 January 2015. Next bullet point, my lord, Ntuli Prince Mncube, accused 3, and on 2772768169, contacted Sifiso Ntuli, accused 5, 11 times. That number is 27. Beg your pardon, my lord. 2772 3995787, and that was between 26 October 2014 and 14 December 2014. Sifiso Ntuli 2771595123 accused 5, contacted Ntuli Prince Mncube, accused 3, on 2772768169 6 times, and that was between the period of 1 November 2014 and 25 January 2015. Sifiso Ntuli 766427007, accused 5, contacted Ntuli Mncube, accused 3, 2772768169 54 times, and this was between the period of 4 November 2014 and 25 January 2015. Sifiso Ntuli 5787, accused 5, contacted Ntuli Prince Mncube, accused 3, 727668169 26 times, and that was between the period of 24 December 2014 and 17 January 2015. Sifiso Ntuli 27733059202, accused 5, contacted Ntuli Prince Mncube, accused 3, on 27727668169 2 times. That was on 24 November 2014 and 29 November 2014.
As a court, please, Malota, I've just received a message that Mr. Jonas requires a comfort break for about 10 minutes to get Mr. Jonas
Oh, I see.
to get lozenges for his throat.
Okay. What's the time now?
10:40.
10,
10:40.
40. So 20 minutes or 10 minutes, what?
I'm just gonna walk out 2 clicks to get the lessons.